Especially as you're getting started with operating at the level of the field with mental workouts using the Merkaba, it's important to get a few early wins under your belt. These wins boost your confidence that you actually are interacting with the field from which everything arises to produce specific outcomes. In order to achieve these wins, create Merkaba where you can see a tangible outcome which would be unlikely to have come about any other way. These do not have to be earth-shattering. My earliest win was keeping birds from eating my young runner beans. Over winter, another confidence boost came from keeping rats out of the attic where they had always been before. Here are some early win suggestions. Stop your partner from snoring. Stop the neighbour's dog barking at night. Stop the cat or dog weeing in the house. Lower your power bills. I think you get the idea. As an example, here is a workout for stopping your cat from clawing the furniture. If you've not already done so, watch the Mental Workout Essentials video first. Here we go. You can have your eyes open or closed. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Say to yourself the name of your cat. See and feel the cat in front of you. Say to yourself, Surrogate Merkaba. Surround your cat with a star tetrahedron. Expand the star tetrahedron or shrink the cat so it fits. The star tetrahedron can be as big as you like. Notice the star tetrahedron spinning like a dynamo. Now surround the star tetrahedron with the outer sombrero or flying saucer shape. Ensure the flying saucer shape encloses the star tetrahedron. Program the Merkaba with the words Love and Awakening. No clawing the furniture. That's it. Stay with the Merkaba field you've created for a few more seconds if you like, or move on to your next workout.